NOLA Gent here, and in this episode, I'm baking bread for the first time. So we're gonna skip all the preliminaries where I mix the dough. It's just a little flour, a little salt, a little yeast to let it all mature and rise up. We're skipping straight to when the dough is risen and it's ready to put in the oven and bake. So ultimately, this is a taste test of how my bread turns out. Is it going to be a winner, or am I going to be a total failure with my interesting cooking skills? Let's go check it out.
Welcome to NOLA Gent. Let the good times roll.
So here's my bread dough balls after they were allowed to rise all night. Now we're going to score these to give the bread a little fancy appearance and make sure everything goes according to plan. And also because the recipe told me to do this, so I'm following the instructions. Now, I probably should have rolled these little pieces of bread out a little longer and thinner, but, we'll just see what happens with the way it is. So, we'll have a little experiment to see how it turns out, making them a little more oval shaped instead of long and narrow like so many traditional French baguette style breads are. I'm just always curious. So let's go ahead and put this in the oven and we'll give it a nice bake and see if we get any interesting results. Now, I'm expecting it to rise a little bit to maybe get a little increase, and guess what? It did a whole lot of additional rising here. It looks like it did not really change much. It is cooked. It just did not seem to rise much more after the initial rising the yeast gave it overnight. So, this is the bread. Moment of truth. Let's see what it tastes like. Ho ho! Tastes just like bread. We're going to upgrade the test and do a little bread with jelly and butter on it. All right, let's see how this test turns out. So the crust is nice and chewy like a good baguette. I like it. Very firm on the outside, fluffy and light on the inside. So continuing with the testing, I decided to make a sandwich with a little bit of marinara sauce, some olive salad, some spicy mustard, and meatballs. So we will call this a meatball po' boy. Let's give it a try and see how it is. Dangerous. Made my own meatball po' boy here. Ooh, let's see how this works out.
just like a mama used to make.
So, just like I totally destroyed that bread, go ahead and destroy that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below and let me know what you thought about this bread. While you're down there, would you kindly go ahead and check out the link to my Patreon account, because I do work for tips and I really appreciate any help with that. And, you know, I'm going to give the bread a thumbs up because I really like the flavor, texture, and taste myself. Other people could differ on that opinion, but I'm the one that had to eat it, so I liked it. And also, I really would like to thank all of you out there for tuning into the NOLA Gent channel, especially to my Patreons. And if you would, just go ahead and so kindly share this video with any of your friends or contacts that would enjoy it, because it really would help me with the YouTube algorithm. And then make sure to tune in next time for more good food, good times, and good people. NOLA Gent here, and thanks so much for watching. And just go ahead and destroy this video right here to keep up with the fun.